What if you never had to mow your lawn? Ever again? Be honest, mowing sucks. It's loud. It's hot. It eats your time every single week. And somehow, it's never actually done. This is the ANTHBOT M9 robot lawn mower, and it might be the smartest upgrade you make to your home this year. No perimeter wires, no complicated setup. It maps your yard in minutes using AI vision and RTK precision. We're talking centimeter-level accuracy. It handles slopes up to 45%, avoids over 1,000 obstacles, delivers that clean, carpet-like cut every time, and manages multiple zones automatically. While it's out there working, you're inside relaxing, or working, or doing literally anything else. Control everything from your phone, set zones, set no-go areas. It recharges itself and keeps going. Click the link below to get the lowest price right now. This isn't a gadget. It's your time back.